encourage people to play more sport by advertising them more in our assembly.
Areas influences athletes to do well and to influence those who may not be involved. This can then build their confidence and become more involved in some sort of sport.
After encouraging and inspiring people over our age to experience sports, we want them to build their confidence to take part and represent the school in fixtures and clubs.
We will inspire other pupils by showing them how fun and beneficial exercise can be, by listening to their ideas and making them possible.
We'll have more inter-school matches so we can increase participants in our school and others and achieve our goals of being the best and winning.
Supporting lower school during extracurricular sport clubs after school and within PE lessons.